What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So I'm not sure if you saw, but yesterday I made a Dogecoin video and it ruffled some feathers. And to be honest, I like ruffling feathers. I think it's fun. I think it's cool coming on here. It's fun on YouTube. Kind of keeps things, entertaining for me as well as the creator. And I want to go over Dogecoin again in this video. Talk a little bit about what it's doing now as it is up 8% on the day thus far when I'm filming this video. So if you haven't caught my video from yesterday, if you didn't watch it, go watch it. Look at the comments. Again, we ruffled some feathers, and let's just do an analysis quickly on Dogecoin right now and talk a little bit about what is going on. So if you didn't know, Elon Musk bought Twitter. You guys probably know that. It is official. And there's a lot of speculation around, Dogecoin, crypto in general. It's going to be, implemented into Twitter. Elon's going to do something with Doge. And that completely sent it to the moon, right? And well, I guess maybe not to the moon, considering about a year and a half ago, Dogecoin was, as you can see here, at 75 cents. So technically that was the moon. But at this point, we are up from 5 cents just a couple of days ago, 5-6 cents, to now about almost 13 cents. And we hit in the mid 15 cent range. I think, when was that? Yesterday, or not even mid 15. It hit roughly 15 cents on the 29th of this month of October. And now what we're noticing is we hit that 15-cent mark. We pulled back a little bit. And I think when I was making my video yesterday, we were right around 11 and a half cents. So we are up. Dogecoin is up from my last video from yesterday in the very short term here. But again, over the long term, I think hype will die down, especially if Elon doesn't actually do anything with Dogecoin. Now, let's say he does something crazy with Dogecoin, which is possible. Maybe it does rip above 20 cents, right? That is a point where, it could start breaking out. We'll talk about that in a second. But overall, right now, we're consolidating. That's kind of what I'm noticing. If I pull out here this trend line tool, what we're noticing is, boom, we ripped the 15 cents, got overbought, pretty overbought. We essentially 2.5, 3x at that point in just a couple of days. So now it pulled back to about 11.5 cents. Saw another pop. You guys got to realize this, though. We popped again. And look at what happened on that second rally. This isn't the best sign for the bulls technically, but we got that pop and we failed at 14 cents. We actually failed to take that high out, which again is 15 cents. You guys can see right here, and right where we are now, you guys can see we're pretty much testing that trend line again, which again we failed at this point yesterday. So if the bulls fail here at 13 cents on Doge, that's not going to be good. And what we're noticing here overall in the grand scheme of things, at least over the past couple of days, this pattern right here, you could look at it as a bull flag. I mean, you could look at that as a bull flag for sure, but you can also look at this as a descending triangle, right? You have lower highs being made, 15 cents, 14 cents, 13, 12.5 cents. Where we are now potentially could be another lower high. We shall see. And at the same time, we have support at about 11 and a half cents. And this is just in the past really 2 days. We've held 11 and a half cents. And, that's kind of what I'm seeing. And the way a descending triangle would play out, if it were to play out, would be this would take out 11 and a half cents, 11 cents on the downside, and then we could start seeing some, downwards pressure from there. That'd be the descending triangle playing out. Maybe it ends up going down to, 8, 9, 10 cents or something like that. But overall, that's kind of what I'm seeing right now. We're cooling off a little bit. Yes, you could argue there's a bull flag, but it also looks like a descending triangle. So let's see how it plays out. Do we end up ripping above 13, 14, 15 cents, which obviously, technically, that'd be great for the bulls, or do we fall under 11 cents, which then we're probably going down, in my opinion, in the very short term, 8 to 9 cents. So if I really show you guys on the, the 1 hour chart maybe? No, 4 hour chart might show it, or maybe not. Maybe the yearly chart. Yeah, this is a very important chart, and I showed you this in my video yesterday, but I'm showing you it again right now in this video. Dogecoin, even though it's up 8% right now, and heck, it's at 12.5 cents, and it was at 15 cents, right? Even though it got to that point, we're still at a lower high just looking at this overall downtrend, right? We're still well within this downtrend, and the reason why I put 20 cents in the title is because 20 cents, guys, is a huge resistance stemming back pretty much from the past year, right? You can see here in December of 2021 all the way up until now, Doge has, it's broken up towards 15 cents, 18, 19 cents multiple times, but it hasn't broken out of 20 cents. Now, if you're one of these people that's crazy long on, bullish on Dogecoin, you're long, you want to hold and you think it's going to $1, you need to see it break that 20-cent mark, which would mark probably a turnaround spot for the bulls in the very short term. Now, like I said yesterday, personally, I'm not holding Dogecoin. I don't want to gamble, and it's really, that's what it is. People think it's an investment. I'm sorry to ruffle your feathers, but it is not an investment. It is a speculation. It is a gamble. You guys got to realize there's a difference here between an investment, a speculation, a gamble. There's a big difference. And in my opinion, we're not going to get too deep into it in this video. Dogecoin is not an investment. It is a pure speculation. Now, if we get something big, with, again, Twitter, Elon, Doge, whatever, 20 cents starts breaking, we're at that 12-month high, 13, 14-month high. We start breaking out. All right, maybe we start getting more upside, maybe to a quarter, 30 cents from there. Who knows? I mean, it's possible, even though I'm not a fan of Dogecoin. It doesn't mean it can't go up. I'm not God, guys. This could still go to $1, even though I don't like it, and I'm not going to buy it. It's a huge risk. It's a huge gamble. You're very likely to lose a lot of money, in my opinion, on this, but who in the world knows? I mean, who really knows at the end of the day what is going to happen? And again, 20 cents, watch it. That'd be a point where this could really start breaking. So with that being said, guys, I don't want to make this video too long, and I don't want to ruffle too many feathers, because yesterday I kind of did do that. Again, go watch that video from yesterday if you guys haven't done so already. And it's just crazy times we're living in. And if you're watching this on, what day is it today? Monday. I'm losing track of the days. It's Monday. It's only Monday, guys. We have the Fed meeting this week, right? November on the 3rd, which is on, or not the 3rd, maybe the 2nd. This Wednesday, whatever day that is. On Wednesday, we have the Fed meeting, press conference, the Q&A, Jerome Powell. And you guys got to realize this is going to affect not only the stock market, but also the crypto market. And the thing with Dogecoin and crypto in general, especially Dogecoin, it really involves hype. And what I'm scared, I don't want to say scared of, but what I'm looking at and what I think is going to happen is people are expecting now that Elon just bought Twitter, he wants to do something with Doge. People are speculating, right? But once that hype starts to die down, maybe a week, a month, a couple weeks, whatever, 2 months goes by, he doesn't really say anything about Doge. What do you think is going to happen? Especially if we get higher inflation, more rate hikes, the economy's still in shambles. What's going to happen, guys? Doge is probably, in all reality, going to start coming down under 10 cents like we talked about a couple of minutes ago. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap the video up. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to get your $10 plus up to 15 stocks from Moomoo, each up to $2,000. All you got to do is go down below, use that link, or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo, deposit at least $100, and you get some free money. I also get some free money. And with that being said, guys, I appreciate you all for tuning in, all the support. I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Peace out.